Hey guys, today we are going through a basic installation and configuration of TrueNAS Scale. We'll start by downloading TrueNAS Scale from the TrueNAS website. Navigate to Software, TrueNAS Scale, and download Scale. I already signed up for the newsletter, so I hit no. And you can download your desired version. Create a bootable USB drive and boot your machine from that to start the installation process. Select one, install upgrade. Choose your boot drives. Remember that this will erase all data on the drives. Also pay attention to the note here. Don't use USB sticks. I had my installation on a USB mirror before. It was not only so slow that updates sometimes didn't work, but also consumed 4 USB sticks in a year. Hit yes. Choose option 1 to create a separate admin user for the web GUI. Set a secure password. And click OK. Choose EFI or legacy boot based on your hardware. The installation is complete, so remove your stick and click OK to reboot. Set a static IP address in your DHCP server or configure it in TrueNAS directly. To show you, I will set it in TrueNAS directly. Enter 1 to configure a network interface. Choose your interface. Set DHCP to no. Your IP address you will enter under aliases. Type in your IP / your NAT mask. Hit save. Press A to apply and P to persist. Now press Q to go to the menu. Select number 2. Configure your host name. Configure your domain and set your IP gateway and name server. Save settings. You can go now to the web GUI under HTTPS, your IP address. Log in with your admin user. First of all, we set a password for the root user. Go to Credentials, Local Users, click on your root user and hit Edit. Uncheck Disable Password and give it your new password. You also can configure email address for the user. Then scroll down to the bottom and click Save. Next, go to System Settings, Update, and check if there's any new updates available. After your updates are done, go to System Settings General, add localization, set it to your needs. Under GUI, activate the redirection and click Save. Scroll down and click the email settings. Here you can add a SMTP mail provider like Outlook or Gmail or any other external or internal mail server. You need this setting to receive alarms from your system. So set it according to the provider you use, and also go to System Setting, Alert Settings. And under Email, edit, and add the email address where you want to receive your alerts. Go to Storage, click Create Pool, give it a name, choose your layout. If you don't know what to choose here, then view some guides on the TrueNAS docs or on YouTube. There are great tutorials and comparisons about these different types. Quick overview. In the home lab with mixed use, a good choice is a mirror layout. It's also easy to expand. Downside is you only have a storage efficiency of 50%. For larger sets of disk, RAID C 2 or 3 is a good option. And I would not use Stripe or RAID C 1 layouts. I will select a mirror. Can automatically select the drives based on their disk size and say how wide and how many VDEVs you want, but I will add my disk manually. We create a VDEV and just drag and drop the disk we want. Then click Save and go to Review and create pool. So our pool is created. We will now add some datasets. For that, go to Datasets. And here you add datasets. Imagine a dataset as a folder, and you can create replication, backup, snapshots, stuff like that, shares based on these datasets. I will have one for media. And one for VMs. The media folder I also want to access from other computers, so we will add shares on it. For that, go to Shares. And I want the NFS share and the SMB share. I will start with the NFS share. On a path, choose Mount, your pool, and the dataset. You also can define the networks and hosts that are allowed to access this share. Click Save. And yes, we want to enable the auto start for the service. For the SMB share, we first need to create a user. For that, go to Credentials, Local Users, Add User, give it a name and a secure password. And save. Now you can go back to shares and add your SMB share. For now, we let everything as it is and hit save. We start the service. And that's it. If you're doing this for the first time, you also get asked to enable the auto start service. You also want to do that, and if it asks for creating ACLs, then also do that. Okay, you used your TrueNAS for a while now, and you're running out of storage. And to expand opcodes, we go to Storage. Click Manage Devices and add VDEV. Now it's the same like when we created our pool. You see now we have 2 mirrors. In total 4 disks. You now have your basic TrueNAS running and can create datasets and shards according to your needs. On TrueNAS you can also run VMs and Docker containers. Remember to set up snapshot task and backup processes. That's it for now, and I'll see you next time.